constipated when the window's up. That's I don't understand that. No.
It's because I got stuck between the words.
You got stuck between the words. How do you get stuck between the words?
Now you're waiting at your back door.
It's so weird. My response is Oslo.
Here comes the train.
No. This is really weird.
No te quema.
My eyes hurt.
I'm talking about the chips. I
So-
never said if your eyes hurt.
Wow.
Common sense.
Is it cards? Stop. That is not juggling. Look at that. Someone was really hungry. Well, that was a whole lot of fun. Wasn't it, Battery?
Guess.
Damn, what a guess. A guess.
I had to fart.
Wow.